Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison, and it's spring, which means allergies, and I wanted to do a quick video on how to keep your car allergy free. So a few quick tips. One, make sure you vacuum your car regularly because that'll prevent pollen from accumulating on the interior. Two, make sure that you don't leave your car, especially with the windows rolled up, with any damp, whether gym clothes, towels, or anything inside. Those can create mold spores, which will offend your sinuses and your lungs. Three, make sure the exterior of your car stays clean because the pollen that can accumulate in the outside as we get into pollen season can also seep into the inside and cause things that are not good. So we offer full detail services here. So if you're looking to do a bit of spring cleaning, you can always come by, schedule a full detail for your vehicle with different levels of intensity and levels of result to make sure that your car is clean and ready to keep you from sneezing a bunch in our beautiful spring.